How do you feel?
I don't know. Going to another country always is exciting, but you gotta leave one to get to a new one.
Yeah, it's always this weird bittersweet feeling, like you're excited for something new, but you're sad because you just started to fall in love with where you just were. But we're gonna go get a grab, make our way to the airport, but first coffee.
Good morning, everyone. This morning we're heading back to the Cebu airport. We're going to Taiwan, our country number 7.
Country number 7.
We're excited to see this new country, especially so because this country is totally new for us both. We have not been to Taiwan. As usual, we're excited for the food and to meet the people.
I'm super excited for bubble tea and dim sum, beef noodles, and all the other delicious things. I cannot wait. My stomach is ready. Sadly, our time in the Philippines has come to an end. We spent the past few weeks touring around this amazing country, meeting the locals, and enjoying so much tasty food. If you haven't yet, check out our Philippines series. We really always feel welcome here and want to say a huge thank you to all the Filipinos for their awesome hospitality. The Philippines will always be a special place to us. But today, we're off to a new adventure. So we're in our plane to Manila now. We're gonna have a 5-hour layover or so, and then we're gonna get on our flight to Taipei.
Good morning. Thank you.
So I'm really impressed with Philippines Airlines. They have like pretty big seats and they have give you snacks, even though it's only like an hour-long flight.
So this is green peas with dried mango. I have no idea what it's gonna taste like. Oh, it's like a chip. Well, it's savory. They seasoned it really well. So this is mango peas. It's that dried mango that we love. It's really, really good. Thank you so much. So we just landed in Manila again to board our flight to Taipei, and we just flew Philippines Airlines, and the airline was pretty good, much better than we thought. We usually fly the cheapest flight, and we're very accustomed to Air Asia flights because they end up being the cheapest. But in this case, Philippines Airlines were cheaper than Air Asia, so that's why we boarded this plane. And it turned out their seats are wider, and it is much more comfortable. It was much for a better flight.
So we're about to board our plane on our way to Taipei.
Hello. Hello.
Our second flight was comfy and quick. And even though the flight was only like 2.5 hours, Philippines Airlines surprised us with a tasty meal, which came with all paper packaging. Even the silverware was eco-friendly. And before we knew it, we had landed in country number 7.
Thank you. We're in Taipei, and it's cold. It's pretty late. We landed at 8 p.m. and we're trying to get to our hotel, which is in downtown central Taipei. And the best way to get there, we've heard, is through the metro, which is MRT. I heard that you need a special card, a transportation card, to get the subway ride. So we're gonna try to buy that. So right off the bat, this place looks very clean, well maintained. Everything looks very very organized as well.
It was just such a smooth, seamless immigration process when we came in. So normally it can be a little more challenging than that. So I just appreciated that. So I think it's going to be a great time. I read that you can buy the MRT card at the station or at convenience stores. And then at both of those places, you just use cash to top up your card. So we're going to go try to find where to buy a card. We're gonna go up to the machines and I hear one of them talking in English, so I'm sure they have a button where you can press and hear English. Let's go.
请选择服 Please select card type.
Easy card, iPass. We have no idea what the difference is.
All right, let's Google it.
A few moments later.
请选择
All right, we figured it out. We're gonna get the iPass. So the iPass is for tourists. Apparently it has discounts and coupons and stuff. So we're gonna choose this one.
Please insert banknotes.
They don't have change. You can only do one of these three. So we're running into a few challenges, but nothing too crazy. So the machine doesn't have change. Can we buy two at the same time? It only lets you do one.
All right, so we had a big bill and we couldn't break it down, and you had to put in the right exact amount to buy the two cards off of the vending machine.
If you come to the information desk, you can also purchase your tickets here, and it was a breeze.
iPass card, thank you. Thank you.
That was easy.
Yay, we got the cards.
These are iPasses. So you can use this for all the public transportation in the city. Apparently you can also use them at convenience stores and other stuff.
So it cost us 500 Taiwan dollar to purchase one card. So the card is worth 100 and you have 400 to spend in either transportation or convenience stores.
So when you come out of the airport this way, you'll see the machines where you can purchase your cards here, ATM here. There's also a currency exchange machine. And if all else fails, if you go to the information desk, they'll help you buy a ticket there. So now we have to find our way to the correct metro station. They also have like a regular bank card reader, so I think you can just get straight on with your credit card or Apple Pay here.
But I heard it's a little more expensive.
So it's cheaper to buy one of these cards.
Yeah. All right, so we are trying to go to the main Taipei station. There it is. A1, wow, it's pretty far away. It's about 11 stations away. And I think it takes 45 minutes when I looked it up in Google Maps. I don't know about any other train stations, but the airport train station at least looks very clean. The floor is just shiny. Very, very,
Modern.
very modern, yes. I like how you understand me and then choose words for me that I was trying to like get into my
I know
head.
him better than he knows himself.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is it's a really nice train station. I keep hitting you with my backpack.
Yeah, it goes like this.
All right, exit where? Oh, exit, okay. So we're at the Taipei main station, and this place is so big, it looks like an airport. It doesn't seem like a subway station. I guess it befits the name of main Taipei station.
Yeah, but surprisingly, no one's here. I don't know if it's because maybe it's closing soon. I expected it to be like more crazy busy with people. And here's Taipei. It's cold.
Look at the buildings.
They have a really nice running man. Oh, he's running! Where are all the people?
I don't know. The city looks a little empty.
I think we're the only two people right now on this entire street.
Maybe people just don't walk.
Maybe we're not in the crowded area. But first impression so far is the sidewalk is spotless and it's clean and the buildings are big. So like people just have their helmets out on top of their bikes, not locked up. I think they'd get stolen if it was anywhere else, but I guess it's a pretty safe city too. What did you think of your walk over?
It was a little cold, a little windy, but the streets are really, really clean. It reminded me of Singapore and Korea. So, but a lot less population density. Maybe it's just a day today where we don't see that many people yet.
You need to check in.
Yes. So this was the most affordable place we could find that was in like a nice central area. So you want to tell us about the room, Seunghyun?
Yeah, so the room I think is one of the smallest rooms that we've ever stayed at. It's also a bunk bed. There's a small desk here where we can sit. There's a chair. And be careful, don't step on my bag. You can tell there's a very narrow way into the bed.
So we have a top bunk. We have this extra space over here, so at least it's not like cramped in. And then this is the lower bunk. Oh no, there's no light down there.
There's a fire hose. I think the emergency
A sprinkler, so we'll be safe from fire. They have plugs though, like they have a plug in that corner, and then 2 plugs up at the top too, so that's nice. And they have hangers, so we have 2 hangers here. Definitely the smallest room we've stayed in.
This is not the smallest room. There's a room where you can go cheaper and have no windows. But I figured we're staying here for a week, and so we wanted at least some windows.
We splurged on the window.
Window life.
How much was this room?
$38 per night.
USD?
Yeah, USD.
$38 per night. This is what it gets you in downtown Taipei. I actually think the bunk beds look pretty nice.
Instead, I called the dibs on the bottom bed, so I had to take the upper bed.